putting some mineral oil on the hand pads. 4-inch and 5-inch slim. I got some Ishii sticks. I got 21 of them ready. These, you guys got options on both ends. 4mm this end with the 3 rings, and I believe 5 on this end. I love black walnut. I don't know whoever gets this one, that's gonna be a beauty. I think that's a crotch grain something. I got some flaker tools ready. I think I have 33 altogether, 10 or 11 sets. Hand flakers. And I got boppers for Ed, if he ever gets a hold of me. I use maple for these handles. The caps are all the same weight as a big handle. That's the inch and 5/8. Next size down. 3/4. Extra. 3/4, 7/8. I even made one out of a little baby one. Technically, there's only 5 in a set. And then these are all my blanks that call them a preform if you want, for the different, like this is a half moon slotted. So these will be regular slot, narrow slot. These are all the large Ishii. Narrower slot, larger slot. This will be a narrow, this will be a larger. Something like that. This is a larger slot. This is the metal I use. This is brass. And then regular ferrous metal. All recycled. I don't buy anything like that. Here's some more blanks for just a half moon pad. These are the edges. Like this is the rubber I cut for when I glue these on. Those are the blanks for that. And one other cool thing I'm starting to work on, and that is magnets. If you can see the different sizes. Magnet. Right now I got some heads. Some of these with metal in epoxy. They'll be dry tomorrow, so I'll be able to test out the magnets. But I want you guys to check out these handles. And yes, you can laugh at this one. YouTube will probably flag this if I said anything, but it's it has texture. Let's put it that way. And I'm trying to get texture on a handle, but I didn't want to get that much. But it ain't gonna slip out of your hand. But I want to show you guys something. This is just regular smooth one, but I'll be putting a magnet in that. But check this out. Turn this light off. Glow in the dark epoxy. So you won't lose your bopper in the dark. I thought that was pretty cool. And now I can't find the light. There you go.